Hi guys, welcome to Code Yogi. So here's a bot. This is using on worldwide. Okay, let's chat. Its name is Yogi Bot. Okay, it's chatting good. In this video, we are going to create a bot like this and host it free. Okay, for that, firstly we have to go to Telegram and search bot further and go to start. Link is in description. Bot further link is. So after that, click new bot. Okay, then give it a name to the new bot, any name. So I am giving Yogi Bot. Okay, so good. Now let's choose a username. Any unique username, choose any unique username. So I am giving YouTube code bot. YouTube code bot. Okay, choose a unique username. We are going to create and host it for free using Heroku. So let's copy this API key. Okay, and copy it. Let's code. Okay, that's it. Here the machine. So open VS Code and create a file called main.py and paste the API key. Okay, create a name a variable API key equal to the string the key. Nextly create a response.py. In that response.py, the responses are goes the input from the user. Okay, so if he ask any hi hello and the bot messages hello hi. Okay, so create a function dev sample input text. The input when the input the user given, so message equal to string of input text dot lower. Convert the string given input string like hi hello how are you to lowercase. Okay, and here the main point, if else part. If message in this kind of list like hi hello, if user inputs the ask hi hello or hi, it returns hello. The bot returns hello. The YouTube bot, we are creating a bot. Okay, if else if like if message in how are you, it will return the string of I am good how about you, I am fine. Okay, you have to create this. It's a static bot. Okay, it's not using any machine learning algorithms, so it's a static bot. After the further videos, we are going to create a really working super bot. Okay, and host it for free. It's a part 1 video. We are only going to create a bot and it runs locally. In the part 2 video, we are going to host it in Heroku CLI for free for any time, and you can chat with it anytime in any world, any place. Okay, so I am creating lots of like I am who are you, it with I am Yogesh bot, and if the input is yes no okay, and it will return oh, okay, that's kind of thing. Okay, so in anyone you have to give this to this like what is your name, what's your place, where are you, time, like this. Okay, it's in this response.py. Okay, thanks. If the user inputted thanks, thank you, it will return I am glad to hear that. Okay, I am glad to hear that. It's a static Telegram bot. Okay, I have created a bot and that is running worldwide free. The name is Yogi Bot. You can search it on Telegram also. Okay, so okay, I am finishing the response.py. If none of this are important, it will return I am learning English by speaking to you. If any queries, ask to my boss. So if anything like without this thanks no yes not, if you input your name, it will return I am learning English by speaking to you. If any queries, tell to my boss. Okay, one more thing I have to add. Okay, bye, good night, goodbye, like things. If the user inputs, it will return goodbye, see you soon. Okay, it's a kind of static Telegram bot. Okay, here the main parts comes main.py. Firstly, we have to install a module. The name is Python Telegram bot. Open a terminal and type pip install python/telegram/bot. Okay, python/telegram/ means that dash, sorry, slash Okay, I have already downloaded it, so it will keep on telling you that requirement already satisfied. Okay. Okay, first main we have to import this. So from telegram.extension ext, from telegram.ext import all of the models. Okay, so import star means it's all of the model. Okay. uh, okay, then we have to import this response.py as import response as r. Okay, that's it. We have a API key. Next we have to create a function. If any instruction like a slash help slash start slash something, so we have to create a function for that. Okay, so def help, if anything like slash help, we have to input the update and context in the telegram extension. So update dot message dot reply text, if you give hashtag slash help, and it will reply. If you need help, don't ask you bot, don't ask me, ask to humans, bro. So like that command is just for fun. Okay, so next function def start. If you import if you give a slash start, and you take update and context from the telegram extension, and update dot message dot reply text, start ask anything to me, like that. So ask anything to me, the bot will tell ask anything to me. Okay, so like any kind of thing. So if you want to create a bot for groups, so you have to create a report function, def report. Okay, if anyone has put a hash slash report someone, so it will keep report, just that kind of bots. Okay, so def handle message. Here the important part, this handle message was if user inputs like hi hello, so it will take that input and convert into lowercase, and response equal to or the response. These are dot sample. What is the sample? The function name sample in the response.py, and give it to the input. Okay, response dot sample dot text, and update dot message dot reply the response. Okay, see it, it's like going into response.py and taking the output, and that's all. Okay, and update dot message dot reply text response. Nextly we have to create a main function. Okay, sorry, one more thing I forgot, def error function. It's if any kind of error like a server lost, or like any kind of error in this form, not of us but any kind of thing like internet loss, it will print error occurred. It will print error occurred from us. Okay, not on the telegram bot chat. Okay, so firstly you have to check if the bot is started or not. So print bot started. Okay, we have to create a main file, def main updater equal to the updater model of, we have to fetch the API key. So give the API key string, so that's where it will fetch the yogi bot, and use context equal to true. Let's okay, use context equal to true, tp equal to updated dot dispatcher though, so it's dispatch things. Next we have to add the handlers, command handlers too there. So dp dot add handler, command handler. So slash start slash help slash report, these commands we have to add in that bot. So dp dot add handler, command handler start. If we input start, it will give start function, def start, so that function. Next we have to add same kind of things to all. So dp dot add handler, command handler, help for all things. Okay, command handler. If we give a slash help, commands help, so help function. Nextly we have to add the error handler. I think yes, add error handler. We have to, if any error comes into the handler or commands, so it will tells the error. Okay, nextly finally we have to add the handle message. If any message, any input other than the slash help slash start slash la 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 blah blah, it will go into the message and message handler, and it goes to handle message function. Okay, filters.text handle message, just follow this. Okay, dp dot handler message handler filter.text handle message function. In the handle message function, it will take the input, take it as input as in response.py and return the output. Okay, so let's start run locally. Updated dot start polling, so it will run only in locally. So updated dot ideally, okay, if you want any delay, so I add numbers 0 second 1 second, so I don't want any delay in message. So then call main function, main, save it and run it. That's it. We have to run, this will run locally. Okay, so go to terminal and type python main.py, it will run. Okay, if any error, it will keep on display. So okay, open terminal, python main.py. Any error, I think, oh, it's ap, I put ap, it's dp. Okay, change it and run it. Okay, bot started. Here's the bot. Ask anything to me. Hi, hello. Okay, it's working good. So next video we are going to like host it worldwide. Okay, you have to use it this world you have to work it and so many things. Okay, so that's it. In the next video we have to host it for free using Heroku CLI and GitHub. So do subscribe my channel. Like, if you like this video, do share, subscribe and recommend our channel to your friends. That's it. Goodbye, have a good day. Bye.